War of words is escalating. Political temperature is rising every hour. Now we have, in fact, a reaction coming in from Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, who has, in fact, launched a fresh attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has repeated his drama jibe, and this time he has said that the Prime Minister is doing drama in the name of Chhath. Listen in to what exactly the Leader of Opposition had to say.
और फिर अभी पूरा ड्रामा कर रहे थे छठ पूजा का। पूरे देश को बताया मैं यमुना में जाके स्नान करूंगा, नहाऊंगा। आपने देखा वहां पे पीछे से पाइप लगा रखा था, साफ पानी नरेंद्र मोदी के नहाने के लिए लगाया गया था। देखा ना आपने? प्रधानमंत्री को नहाना है तो साफ पानी लाएंगे, यमुना के गंद में नरेंद्र मोदी जी नहीं जाएंगे, आम जनता जाएगी। वो पानी उनको पीना पड़ेगा, मर जाए तब भी पीना पड़ेगा, मगर नरेंद्र मोदी के लिए स्पेशल तालाब बनाया जाएगा और फिर वो बिहार के लिए ड्रामा करेगा, आएगा उसमें नहाएगा। हमारे मीडिया के जो मित्र हैं पाइप नहीं दिखाएंगे, वो गलती से किसी ने पाइप दिखा दिया। नरेंद्र मोदी कह रहे मैं नहीं नहाऊंगा, अब तो सच्चाई बाहर आ गई। तो ये चल रहा है।
Let's go back to Arunil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Arunil, the only things that Rahul Gandhi has been talking about this election season in Bihar has largely been about attacking Prime Minister in some way or the other. Earlier, we have heard his dance jibe for the Prime Minister, then came the yoga attack for the Prime Minister. Now for Chhath also, Rahul Gandhi is saying Prime Minister is only doing drama in the name of Chhath.
Well, the big question over here, Hina, is whether these statements of Rahul Gandhi are going to work on the ground for the Congress party as well as the Mahagathbandhan. Yes, he mentioned about that PM Modi can dance for you as well, for the voters, to garner more votes. That was very heavily criticized by the BJP. Then now he is saying that PM Modi mocked the Chhath Puja. He went to the banks of Yamuna River in New Delhi and wanted to take a dip in the river, but it was an artificially created pond, and it got exposed, and that is why he didn't venture into the water. Rahul Gandhi's, ironically, Rahul Gandhi's 2 days back could be seen with Mukesh Saini, the chief of the VIP party. He actually jumped into a river and tried to do fishing in that river as well. Mukesh Saini is from the fishing community, that is the Malla community in Bihar. Now, how the BJP is going to react to it? Earlier also, Rahul Gandhi had taken a similar kind of a jibe with respect to Chhath Puja. Then PM Modi, in a public address, had spoken about it, saying that how the BJP or the NDA government at center wants to give a UNESCO recognition to Chhath Puja, as well as how they want to hold national level singing competitions revolving around the Chhath Puja, which is basically the biggest festival in Bihar.
Right, and we also, in fact, got a reaction from Home Minister Amit Shah in that exclusive interview about the kind of attacks we've seen coming in from Congress party, from Rahul Gandhi specifically. And Home Minister Amit Shah, viewers, was of the view that every time there is an attack that comes towards the Prime Minister, people ensure that the lotus blooms in that particular state, and whenever there is an assembly election. Arunil, stay on with us. Some more inputs coming in as far as the Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi is concerned. It seems like a big goof up there that has happened by Rahul Gandhi during his rally, and Rahul's vote chori yatra FOPA is what we are talking about, wherein he allegedly said, "Humne Bihar mein vote chori yatra ki." Listen in.
ये आखिरी बात कहना चाहता हूं, ये संविधान है। हमने वोट चोरी यात्रा, वोट अधिकार यात्रा की। ये लोग वोट चोरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे। इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में चोरी किया, हरियाणा में किया, कर्नाटक। ये आखिरी बात कहना चाहता हूं, ये संविधान है। हमने वोट चोरी यात्रा, वोट अधिकार यात्रा की। ये लोग वोट चोरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे। इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में चोरी किया, हरियाणा में किया, कर्नाटक।
Let's go back to Arunil, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Arunil, how do we see this? Merely a slip of tongue?
Completely baffling, in fact, Hina, because Rahul Gandhi as well as Tejasvi Yadav held this Vote Adhikar Yatra, which created a kind of waves in Bihar as well. This was way before the elections were announced, and Rahul Gandhi himself forgetting the name of his yatra and calling it as Vote Chori Yatra, kind of an embarrassment for the senior Congress leader as well as the leader of opposition. Now, coming to embarrassment as well, there was another for the Congress party just recently when Tejasvi Yadav was announced as the CM face, because the Congress party leaders themselves were protesting at their party headquarters and accusing the Congress party high command of ticket chori. So at the point when Rahul Gandhi is speaking about vote chori, their own Congress leaders were speaking about ticket chori, saying that how the high command took money and sold the tickets.
Well, that's right. We have seen, during the campaign, of course, the conversations around ticket chori also coming in, with several leaders from the Congress only accusing their own leadership of ticket chori. We have RP Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on the broadcast as well. Arunil, request you to please stay on with us. Mr. RP Singh, good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you have to say about what Rahul Gandhi had said? He, said first, "Humne Bihar mein vote chori yatra ki." Of course, then he corrected himself that it was voter adhikar yatra.
Well, when you're not committed to a cause and you do it only for a political objective, that's what happens. I mean, it was all only to build up a narrative. Otherwise, could they present even one? There are 68 lakh voters which are related and 21 lakh voters which are added. Could they present even 6 or 8 voters in front of election commission or the court that these are the voters which were genuine voters that had been deleted? But it was all, as I said, it's all a propaganda, all a perception game, and all narrative building game, because they know that they're not going to win elections. So how to cover up their loss? So after they lose election, they will say that we said vote chori ho rahi hai. So that's what, and that's when you are not committed. You do such sort of mistakes also. You want to say something else and you say what you really mean.
All right, Mr. RP Singh, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let's once again listen in to what exactly happened when Rahul Gandhi made this comment.
ये आखिरी बात कहना चाहता हूं, ये संविधान है। हमने वोट चोरी यात्रा, वोट अधिकार यात्रा की। ये लोग वोट चोरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे। इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में चोरी किया, हरियाणा में किया, कर्नाटक। ये आखिरी बात कहना चाहता हूं, ये संविधान है। हमने वोट चोरी यात्रा, वोट अधिकार यात्रा की। ये लोग वोट चोरी करने की कोशिश करेंगे। इन्होंने महाराष्ट्र में चोरी किया, हरियाणा में किया।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.